Working at the bottom front corner of the bumper, remove the four 8mm fasteners as indicated by the green arrows. Working at the front wheel well liner, remove the four 8mm fasteners, green arrows. Still working inside the front wheel well liner, remove one 8mm fastener, green arrow, and one 10mm plastic nut, yellow arrow. Pull the front section of the wheel well liner down and away from the fender, then remove from the vehicle. If you're servicing your front lights, you can stop here. You do not have to remove the rear section of the wheel well liner. To remove the rear section, working at the rear of the wheel well liner, remove the one 8mm fastener, green arrow, and the one 10mm plastic nut, yellow arrow. Working at the bottom of the wheel well liner, remove the three 8mm fasteners, green arrows, the one 10mm plastic nut, yellow arrow, and the one T27 torque fastener, purple arrow. Next, you have to remove the three plastic rivets from the wheel well liner, green arrow. Use a small punch or a pick to drive the center of the plastic rivet through the rivet. Then pull the plastic rivet out of the fender using a small flathead screwdriver. The plastic rivets usually break and are not reusable. Have new ones on hand before you begin. Working at the bottom of the wheel well liner, detach the wheel well liner from the body. You will have to guide it away from the small studs and out from the body brace. You can now remove it from the vehicle. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.